Looking at the SCG Smartboard, you can get a sense of solidity and firmness in its purpose and design. So I wanted to extend its purpose to a fluid sort of flowing material, a green approach to its design, almost saying that this product can be what you want it to be. So I thought of water as a really fluid material, but not in its still position, because that would make it look like a solid object. So movement was needed to show water in its dynamic form. Not only is it moving, but what if it were moving at a fast rate, and one which performs different forms and shapes? As I thought about it some more, how about cascading waterfalls, which I ended up deciding for this concept.